933 John, 937 John. I could have hear you for a 415 Valent out of 932, 11170 Sorrento Valley at the coaster station. There's an active fight on the train. The train is moving. There's an active fight with security and several guests on the train. They'll be in the first car, car number 2309. The suspect is a white male and he's 647F.
37 John. If he's in an active fight with security and it's not under control right now, he'll be towed from about 6,000 Vermont Road.
935 Sim, inform the code response. The security and the guests are trying to hold the suspect down with hands and feet.
37 John. I'm not seeing the train at the platform. Can you just verify what the coaster station's at, what the plan is?
935 King, did you get a better 20 for the location of the coaster?
Inquiry was attempting to call back. They got no response on 2 callbacks, so they left a voicemail.
It's important to verify if they were coming north or south.
I'm sorry, I did not advise.
Important.
And the suspect has locked himself in the bathroom of some car. Can you just advise them to, I don't know if this is the nearest bathroom.
3 is the coaster station. As soon as we reach RP, the train is 3 minutes out and we'll be pulling onto track 2.
937 John, straight forward on 97 now.
Hey man, you got any knives or anything in the bins? No. Go fucking talk to me, bitch. What the fuck is he filming me for, bro? What the fuck? Yeah, he's holding me. Water, bro! Go get some water, bro! It's no chest pain? No, just said it's a pain. Turn around. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you, boss. Fuck you, bro! Fuck you, you don't know what the fuck you're going through. Bro, please, bro, Samuel! Look at that, walk through the fucking water, bro! And I want to get you air conditioning and some my boss, what over here? Please get some water, bro! Please! Samuel, bro! Samuel, in the last minutes! Please, lift my pants up, bro! Lift the pants up. Put your butt in there, bro. I'm gonna close this so we can better end this.
Medics are male, conscious, breathing. He's about 25 years old. Not clammy, but sweating profusely, hyperventilating, complaining of chest pain.
Never will get them started.
Bro, my hips, bro. Bro, my knee, bro, my legs, bro. My wrist, bro, I need to throw up. Please, bro, I don't know what to do. What do I do? Dude, no, my wrist, bro. It's super, super tight. Okay, then can you please loosen it, please? You can't loosen my wrist, bro. It's super, super tight. Oh, that's not doing shit, bro. That's not doing shit. Yes, I need actual water. Then let me drink my water. I need to fucking... What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? That's a little sip, bro. What the fuck? I don't give a fuck if you spill it on me. Please. I can't, no. No, I need to sit down. Dude, no. Bro, please help me, bro. This is not okay.
Hey, whoa, George, come on. All right. Can you lay on the ground like that?
I need water.
George, we're gonna get you water. Hey, be gentle.
I need water. I need water, bro. I need water, bro. Someone help me, bro. I said I need water, bro. Yo, I need water, bro. Yo, I'm actually gonna. I'm fucking freaking out, bro. Fuck. I'm actually gonna pass out. Holy shit! What the fuck is wrong with you?
We're gonna have you put your head on this.
Please, bro! Please get the fuck away from me! Get the fuck away from me, bro! Get the fuck! I need to get off my wrist, bro! My wrist, bro! My wrist! Oh, my wrist! Holy shit, I did nothing to you! Please get the fuck off my wrist!
You didn't crash around and get hurt, that's all.
Oh, please get off my wrist! Please get off my wrist, bro! Please get off my wrist! Please get off my wrist!
We got you in the upper body.
Please, but no, please, bro! Dude, Samuel, bro! I'm fucking going crap!
Sit tight on this side like this. Looks are on their way. You gotta throw, that's okay. Just take short breaths. Slow, short breaths.
No, deadass. No, deadass. Samuel, bro, my wrist, bro. Please, bro, my wrist. Please, bro. Please, bro. This sure hurts really bad, bro. Please, just leave me. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Like this. Get the fuck off my ankle, bro. Get the fuck off my ankle. Bro, get the fuck off my ankle. Dude. Oh.
Hey, you got wipes?
Yeah, we do.
Oh.
For what?
Or spit on my face?
Dude, my ankle, bro.
Take the case on that.
My ankle, bro. Dude.
George, you spit on a police officer, so we gotta put a spit sock on you. Come on, and stop spitting on the
Stop, bro. Stop, bro. Stop.
What's going on?
Stop, bro. I need water, bro. I just need water, bro. Dude, please get the fuck off my ankle.
Hey, why did you call the ambulance? Are you?
Dude, because I didn't have my fucking ticket, bro. I didn't have my ticket. These guys kept pressing me, bro.
What is bothering you? Are you having any pain right now? What's going on?
Yes, this guy's fucking on my ankle and my fucking.
Let's just figure out if it's stable enough to get him. Because I really doubt that it's not going to as you guys are figuring it out. Hey, what's your name? What's your name? I'm not a cop. I'm a paramedic. My name's Peter. What's your name?
I need water.
Okay.
I need fucking water. Bro, I've been asking for this so long.
Wilson.
It's not. Take his breath.
Hey, Brett. My name is Peter. I'm here to help you out, man. In order for me to help you, you gotta help me out a little bit, okay? And you figure out what's going
Dude,
on.
actually, no, I'm being serious. Please, I'm asking you dead ass. My name is Brett, bro.
Okay, Brett.
I need water, bro. Please, I'm asking you. I pray.
Brett.
I pray they need water, bro. Holy
I
shit.
want to help you, but I can't get these guys off of you until I'm certain that we're all gonna be safe here, okay?
I'm safe, bro.
No,
I'm safe.
us.
I'm safe,
I
bro.
can't have you thrashing around and stuff, okay?
Okay.
You gonna be cooperative?
Yes,
Okay.
bro.
So why are we? What brought us here right now?
Just need, we really need water. These guys just fucking real train.
Okay, well, there's no way that this all transpired because you needed water, right?
It is though. It's just like frustrating. This.
Okay. No, I understand that you're frustrated.
No, deadass, I need water right now.
Okay, I
right
can't
now.
get you any water.
No, deadass, right now.
I deadass can't get you any water right now.
No, deadass, I need water right now.
I can't get you.
No, I need water right now, bro. Dude, no.
You guys let me. It's gonna be a few days.
Yes. Well, to run, probably not, but he's gonna fight.
No, I'm not going to fight, bro. I'm fucking freaking out, bro.
Hey, any drugs or alcohol?
No, bro. No. I really just need water, my
How about
boy.
this? Hey, Brett, how about this? Can you sit on your back? Can you sit down? Go ahead and turn around.
Yes. Just let me fucking
Nice
get
and
water,
easy,
bro.
okay? Nice and slow.
Please, bro.
Alright.
I just need water, bro.
Brett, I can't give you any water. We're ambulance. I'm not in the business of giving you
Okay,
water.
that feels a little better, bro. Please, give me some water, bro.
So, I need you to tell me the drugs. Any drugs or alcohol?
No.
Is there any reason why we need to go to the hospital right now?
No, I just need water really bad. I'm really, I got one sip of water all day. You don't believe me, but that's true.
I just can't get you any water. Like,
No, I can't get this off my head.
Yeah, it's because you're in handcuffs right now, right?
No, I can't get this off my
I
head.
know you can't get it off your. You put it on your head so you can't take it off. It's spitting at you.
Oh, you insane. It's like a dog collar, bro.
Do you have like a medical complaint?
Yes, bro.
What year is it?
It's fucking this year, bro. What the fuck did I do, bro?
Just tell me what year it is.
It's fucking 2020, bro. I need water, bro. Dude, just help me out. I'm really dehydrated, bro.
Hey, Brett.
Really
Brett.
dehydrated.
Brett.
I can't control myself right now.
Brett.
It's
We're
really
gonna take you to the
hard.
hospital, okay?
Okay, please take me to the hospital.
Let's go sit on the gurney, okay? We're gonna
Okay,
help
I
you
need hospital. I need water, bro. Then let me get water, bro.
It's
out.
right on cheek, bro.
Restraints on the leg first, then we'll get the ones on the
There
leg.
you go, right
Then
there.
I'll do the.
Water, bro. Dude, I need water.
Hey!
Oh my god.
Hey, Mike. Let's put the seatbelts on first.
I was literally
Let's
trying to
stitch the
let go of
Velcro straight. Let's get the
Yeah, you were rolling off though, man. You're all good.
I was going over so you can. Oh, dude, my hands really hurt.
We're gonna get them moved, but you just need to relax for now.
Can you please take this shit off my face? What did you say?
Here, let's scoot them up. Repeat. You got wipes? Yeah.
There's a canister of alcohol wipes back in the ambulance. That's the one I got.
Oh, cool.
You mentioned feeling vomitous earlier. Just like up the
So, according to my brother, this has been happening for a while. Nothing diagnosed, as far as they know.
Yo,
Been a
let me get my brother, bro.
Padres game, 18 years old.
Dude, please, bro. Dude, this shit hurts so
Yeah,
bad.
I want to take those off, but in order for me to do that, I need you to leave those.
Okay, please, bro, please. Please, bro. Dude, I don't feel any water. What the fuck?
Swim alone, maybe swim alone.
Fuck. You guys are fucking losers, bro. Like dead ass, bro. You get no fucking hoes, bro. You get no bitches, bro. Oh my. I need good help you to help me out, bro.
And media is 97.
Media 97 so far.